On LinkedIn, what does the first and second mean beside somebody's name? So you can see on the screen here, we have Brooke Sellis and it says first beside her name here. If we go to here, then it says Derek Pollard and it says second. So what does that mean? When you click on Brooke's name, you will see that her and I are connected. We are first level connections. That is what the first applies to. And if we go back to Derek Pollard, Derek and I are both connected to Brooke, but we are not connected to each other. So Derek is my second level connection here on LinkedIn. So on the LinkedIn network, Brooke and I are connected together. And because Brooke and Derek are connected together, Derek is my second level connection on LinkedIn. And then I can choose to connect with him through the More button if you click on the Connect, or I can follow him over here. But that is what the difference is between first and second level connections. We also have third level connections, which I'm going to show you. So Crystal Bray is a third level connection. So Crystal and I do not have anybody mutual in common on LinkedIn, and that's why we have a third level connection. So first, second, and third level connections. Even though Crystal is following me and has been following me since December 2024, but we do not have any connections in common. So first, second, and third level connections on LinkedIn.